Hello everyone, welcome to Code with SP, the world of learning. So today we'll be starting with the Java tutorial. It's gonna be series, and after the series I'll be uploading a full video or 2 hours or 3 hours, whatever it will be, on my channel, so that afterwards it will be easy for you to access it, like all the content in a single video. So let's get started with the video. Let's understand what is Java, what are different Java applications, and why use Java. Okay, why to use Java. So Java is basically object-oriented programming language which was created in 1995, and Java is owned by Oracle. And different applications, if I have to talk about, then mainly the mobile applications, especially Android applications, then desktop applications, web applications, and games, servers. Then we talk about database connections, and there are many more applications of Java. And why to use Java? Because we can use this on various platforms, whether it's Windows, Linux, Mac, and it's open source, it's secure, and it's simple to use. It's object oriented, which gives a clear structure to program and allows code to be reused and lowering the development cost. So I would say Java is close to C++ and C hash. So if you already know C++ and C hash, then it's easier for you to switch from that language to Java, and vice versa, like to switch from Java to those languages, it will be easier for you. For further tutorial, you will need a Java installed on your device. To check whether it's installed or not, you can just go to your command prompt and check for Java version. It will show you the version which is already there, and if it is not there in your device, I've given the link in the description box from where you can install it. And for writing the Java program, I'll be using the Eclipse. So you can use Eclipse, NetBeans, or you can just go for your Notepad or Notepad++ and like have the uh, like execute the Java program in your command prompt. But I'll be using Eclipse. I'll be giving the link for that Eclipse also in the description box from where you can install it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.